Okay, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing this last couple of weeks. Not working on the upstairs, but I've been working down here in the basement. If you remember, there was a water heater here. I put a new door in and moved it over. Took the water heater out, obviously. But I made a office room. Echo, turn on the office.
Okay.
We just bought a treadmill. She wanted a treadmill. But took the walls down, painted them, put a new wall up, took out the closet, I guess it was. And there was a short closet here. Took it down. Put in LED lights. Took ceiling down. Painted the floor joists. Come out pretty good. Painted the floor. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. Pretty cool. I gotta finish the baseboard and door around the trim. Trim around the door. Came up pretty good. Echo. Office at 100.
Okay.
Sorry, should have turned those brighter. Kind of cool.